So here I have a 20-volt cordless leaf blower. It comes in 3 different colors, a QR code so it shows you how to use it. But this is what it comes with. The charger, 2 batteries. You plug in the charger right here. And what I love about these batteries, it tells you the battery life. So this one's at full battery. Has this little extension right here, which goes connected here. And it also has the blower, of course. So the battery goes connected here. And you connect this tip here. And if you want to leave it just like that, you can, or you can put the extension on it. So let's go ahead and show you how it works. I went ahead and installed the battery, and I put the both extensions on there. And this is where you turn it on from. So it has the power button, and then it has 3 different speeds. Once you press the power, you press up for the second speed, up for the third speed, and you can go back down.